Are you throwing out your paper scraps? Big mistake. Huge. Don't throw out your paper scraps. Keep them for making notes with, and I will show you exactly how to do that. Measure the scraps that you have. This one right here is going to be about 3 inches wide by, let's see here, 8 inches long. Okay, so we're going to take this 3 by 8. We're going to put that in our computer, and then we're actually going to go ahead and print out grocery lists. So this is what I do is I go in and I customize whatever size that I want for my paper. Go ahead and I put in my little element at the top, add some lines to it, and go ahead, press share. Go ahead and download. You want to download this in a PNG form. Go ahead, download again. And then once it hits your computer, go ahead and make sure that you put in whatever you want to call it. So mine's just going to be, I'm just going to put in list. Okay, I'm going to put in list. Save it on my downloads. Okay. And then that's it. So you're going to go into your MacBook Pro if you have one. Then you can go down to customize. Okay. So let's go in here. We're going to go down to paper size. Do you see where it says paper size here? You can manage custom sizes. Okay. Once you put your custom size in, then all you have to do is go out and print. And this is your end result. So thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel and give me a thumbs up. Have a good day.